Sheesh, got some torque. Sheesh. Alright guys, well, there she is. Not a finished product. Still got some work to do. However, it is riding smooth. Install went fairly easy. I mean, it's a pretty straightforward install. You know, if you know how to match colors, you could not plug in the wrong connector. It just won't allow you to do that. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You have your throttle, your hub motor, got your controller in here. It's pretty straightforward, man. Pretty straightforward install, pretty easy install. But overall, I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. Didn't spend that much money. The kit costs around $700 or so. The battery is around the same, 72 volt, 20 amp hour battery, 3000 watt hub motor, 170 through 175 millimeter rear dropout. So that's your forks, from the inner fork to fork. Pretty straightforward. Take off your brake disc, install it onto your new motor, hub motor rim. One of the suggestions is make sure your wires is not close to the brake disc. You don't want that to get caught up while you're riding. And then make sure you do zip tie. So right now it's not completely done. I'm gonna touch this all up. I just wanted to make sure this thing ran without any issues. So but other than that, I'm really impressed. My hat's off to the people that engineered this kit. But all in all, this is the budget build. This is your traditional hard-working American, or just a hard-working in general, that doesn't have that much money to buy one of those $4,000, $5,000 bikes. You know, you just got some change in the bank, and maybe some change that's not even in the bank. But this right here probably put me around, the bike itself was under $1,000, right? I needed something to be the base, right? The base for the transplant. And so, you know, as far as the Ridstar, it was the Q20. It's a nice looking bike. You know, it's a nice looking bike. I took off the white and all that. I just wanted to have it kind of black out, but I like the bike, right? I like the bike. It wasn't too bad for $1,000 bucks. Wasn't too bad for $1,000 bucks, but so I got that. The hub motor kit, right? The 3000 watt 72 volt kit run me around $700, and then the battery itself around $700. So all in all, under $2,500. That can compete with, you know, $4,000, $5,000 bikes and give them a run for their money. That can go over 50 miles an hour and has a crap load of torque. But other than that, man, I just want to let you guys know I'm very impressed. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos, and you know, I just want to touch real quick. I do these videos for you guys, man. The people out there that just want to have a budget build, maybe don't have that much money in their bank, right? And they want to have a fast bike. But here you go, right? I'm gonna put every link in the description for every part that I use. And honestly, you may get them cheaper, right? But it gives you a base understanding of what you need. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ping me, send me a note. on one of the messages, and I'll do the best I can do to help you guys out. All right, thank you.